Christopher's new motorcycle. Yep. Okay. Try fire it away. A nice bike.
Yeah, it is. Here, it won't start that.
Got choke on? Got gas on?
Yes, the gas is on. The gas is on. Choke is on.
Hey, we're gonna try it again. This is Sunday, November 7, 1999. Christopher's first motorcycle. Dirt bike we bought from my present boss, Frank DiGiulio, and his son, Dustin. 350 bucks. We just had to replace the spark plug. Christopher?
Yeah?
I want to see you ride it first, if you don't mind. Why don't you?
Which one do you want?
Red one.
Red.
So you fire that sucker up.
And he doesn't match.
Gas on? Yep.
Can't you tell it's lit?
Hot dog!
Daddy, that's a lot quieter.
Yeah. Oh, he's got second gear. Oh, come on, you stupid thing. Focus, will ya? He's got in second.
Are you using the full throttle?
He's shifting too low. Don't hit the truck. Pull in the clutch.
Push the button! Stop!
Stop that, Chris. Huh?
Love it.
Matthew's next?
No.
I didn't think so.
I couldn't.
Jason's next. Now, don't drive it like me drive my truck now, okay?
That's a dick.
Maybe you should aim that way. You can start it in gear. You can if you want.
And he's off to that start.
Don't run into the... Okay.
That doesn't scare you. I'm gonna do that.
Hold it.
Aha! Wait, didn't you fall at the same place there? Yeah, how come? Because the dirt, when you try and turn, there's this big hill and it stops you.
He's going. Well, he got second, but he won't get third.
What the heck was that?
That's it, blow it up.
See that when
Yeah.
when that thing I was sliding
You
on?
a little squirrely.
He was sliding and he goes, damn!
You did that on purpose, didn't you?
Yeah.
Think. Let's learn how to drive it first before you start doing tricks. Now Mancy's turn.
Is it in first? I left it in second. Don't get out of gear.
Easy does it. Don't cram him too hard. There you go. Yeah, it's a lot quieter. All right. Oh, don't. Get your foot up.
You're going first, isn't it?
Feels like second. First, yeah, first.
Was there a lot of dirt coming up behind me?
Oh, yeah.
Is there like no room to turn around back there?
I know, there's like all these big hills. Once you go to turn it, stalls you.
Shift. Shift, you can blow it up. No, it's second. Yeah, that is second.
A whole lot quieter. Now we can go around the neighborhood trying if God would let us.
It's
It
hard.
stalls him too.
You see me? I lifted up the front end and I pulled it back down.
It's in gear! Trying to
You know
move
you
it,
can
it
do
won't
it.
move because he's in gear.
Well, just start it and move around.
Yeah.
I think four.
Next time I'm gonna drive over there, okay? Go around.
Yeah. Where he's gonna go?
Go! Go! Sorry! What the
No, not down there.
Dad, what'd you say? Give him hell? That was pretty good for first. I could have sworn you said give him hell. No, give him a hand.
Give him. I don't know what I said. But what I meant to say was, if you decide you want to do something like that, you got to keep your RPMs up.
I know.
You let it bog down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've got to ask. Want to go around the lake once?
You gotta go around the lake, not in it.
Yeah, not in it. You guys are getting better. Why are you guys getting better? There's second. Will he go in the lake?
We'll never know. Daddy, I'm gonna rip it. I'm gonna go out in a third and a fourth, and I'm gonna rip it.
Not until you learn how to drive a little better and stop.
I go in a third and rip it. Oh, I know how to stop. I always keep my foot right next to that brake.
No, you were putting your feet on the ground trying to stop it.
I was trying to stay up. I didn't want to fall.
What are you talking about? You want to fall? It's just like riding a bike.
Only with an engine.
Jay, can you get a picture of Dad?
What was that?
It's you. Fall apart because you're doing that.
I wasn't doing anything.
You were sticking your feet on the ground.
Because I was saying some dumb things, and then you're like, hey.
No, let's say,
I'll take Dad.
let's don't say we did.
Yeah. I'm taping Daddy. I got.
I have to.
Do it.
You saw it? Nope. All right.
I know. I tried to do that. I tried to give it more throttle when it was about to stop. But it's too late.
Well, first of all, when you turn that slow, you have to be in first gear.
Well, thanks for telling us after we do it. It was in Not that way. Come on, Dad, up here. Come on. Dad, right there. Keep going. Fast, bro. Fat guy. Did you hear that, Dad? Called you a fat guy. Quit, God. Kick my shoe off. Stay away. I'm gonna pop your tire. You do the okay. Pop a wheelie! I mean, don't pop a wheelie, but pop. Jump! But see, he had to go down there to go. See you later. Man, I guess it's going fast. Alright. Dad, go down there. Go down there. Dad! Yeah. Come on, right there.
Enjoying the fire? Well, that fire. There's Christopher. I know what he's gonna do. What?
Then you had to be in fourth gear when you go in fourth gear and you go.
Gotta ruin it to do in fourth. Going that slow. Now look out. He's gonna get crazy on it. Find out good.
Did I spit up dirt? Did I do that? Dirt?
A little bit. Yellow revving it too high.
I want dirt to fly up. No, we can get dirt to fly up.
Yeah. Oh, not down there. Oh.
in a low gear. Alright, look.
Here comes my 15-year-old. Okay, he's not going to go that way.
Hey, scared to go down that. Definite no.
That was my 15-year-old. Oh, he almost stalled it. Ah, he stalled it. Oh, he stalled it again. Bye. Yeah. Really? There goes Jason. Come on, get it going. Let's go. Don't give up. Keep trying. Nice. What's wrong? Hi. Look at that face. Oh, jeez. Whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Oh, no, not in backwards. I hear a motorcycle. My son is driving me around. Holy smokes. Man, you sitting beside him? Huh. No, this says that's not the right time. It's November 7, 1999. Our passenger. Hey, dude!
You guys go all the way down there?
Yeah, we did.